Because educators are the cornerstone of everything we do. The amount of support and things that they provide to our students makes all the difference in the world. And they don't get the recognition that they deserve many times. Lots of times it's a thankless job. So we're so excited to be here today and to celebrate one of our teachers and publicly recognize them for the amazing work they do. It says that we see you, we know what you're doing every day, we value the work that you do, and education is a job that many of our students should pursue and see that the impact they can make. So in West Virginia, we're really excited about the focus that we have right now. We're really focusing in on reading and math and making sure our students have all the supports that they need to be successful. And we have momentum across the state and buy-in from all 55 of our counties. And we're really seeing the impact not only in the success of our students emotionally and physically, but also in our summative assessment scores. So we're moving in the right direction in West Virginia.